In this video, I'll show you where to find the glow plug relay and glow plugs on a BMW E60 with the N57 diesel engine. Step 1. To access the glow plugs, you need to remove the intake manifold. It covers the glow plug area, so without taking it off, there's very limited space to reach them. I've replaced the relay before without removing the manifold, but it's definitely easier and safer when you take it off. Step 2. Here's the glow plug relay. It's mounted with two 10mm bolts. Make sure to disconnect the electrical connector before unbolting it, and always check that the wiring and plug are clean and corrosion-free. Step 3. Now, let's take a look at the glow plugs themselves. On the N57 engine, there are 6 glow plugs, one for each cylinder. Once the intake manifold is off, you can easily see them lined up along the cylinder head. If you're replacing them, make sure to clean the glow plug holes. Use a bit of ceramic grease and tighten them carefully with a torque wrench to about 15 nanometers. That way, you won't damage the threads or the plugs themselves. And that's it, the glow plug relay and glow plug locations on BMW E60 and 57 engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical repair guides.